All right, sir. Uh, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected all, I welcome you all on behalf of the Fazl Qadir Khan Islamic Institute, Pakistan, to the world first event. I am Mohammad Awais, the moderator of this course. I am working in the industry as a senior generative AI developer. Today's venture one titled Intro to Generative AI and Prompt Engineering. Today's lecture is fundamentally divided into two parts. In the first part, the AI structure and AI-powered avatar of Dr. Rao Muhammad Awab will deliver the Avecture. In the second and final part, the AI influencer Dr. Rao Muhammad Awab will take a live QA session. During the lecture, if you have any question, feel free to drop them in the chat box. Dr. Adil will answer them after the session. Now I humbly request the AI structure to deliver the lecture.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected all, Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of Fazal Qadir Khan Islamic Institute, Pakistan, I extend a heartfelt welcome to you all to the world's first Academy, a groundbreaking leap in the future of education. In this revolutionary platform, AI instructors will guide your learning journey instead of traditional instructors, and Avectures will replace conventional lectures. Are you ready to embrace the future of teaching, learning, and community building? Let's embark on this transformative experience together. Our institute's mission is to offer free and high-quality education for everyone, solely for the pleasure of Allah. To achieve this noble objective, we have launched a free online course titled Generative AI for Everyone, Mastering Prompt Engineering with ChatGPT-4, a beginner's guide. This is Avecture, one of our transformative course, Introduction to Generative AI and Prompt Engineering. I am your AI instructor, Dr. Rao Muhammad Adil Nawab. Learn to smile and appreciate. Learn to smile and appreciate. One of the fundamental goals of our course is to nurture a culture of smiling and appreciation in our academia, industry, and society. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said to the nearest meaning, smiling on face of your brother is an act of charity. Hence, you are humbly requested to keep smiling and keep spreading appreciation, because a little kindness goes a long way. Now, let's move forward and explore the Avecture outline. Avecture outline. Let's take a quick glance at what we'll cover in today's Power Pack session. Quick recap, a brief review of key takeaways from our previous Avecture. Introduction to Generative AI. Understand how machines are now generating text, images, and even ideas. Role of prompt engineering in careers. Discover how mastering prompts can boost your success across industries. Types of prompts. Explore the key categories of prompts and understand which types are best suited for different tasks. Top 5 challenges in prompt engineering. Gain insight into the most common challenges faced when crafting effective, high-quality prompts. Influence of word choice on prompts. Learn how the right words can make your AI responses sharper, faster, and smarter. Let's dive in and unlock the real power behind generative AI, one word at a time. Before we dive into today's content, let's take a moment to reflect on the quick recap from our previous Avecture. Quick recap. Before we move forward, let's take a quick look back at what we covered in the introductory Avecture. We explored optimal learning techniques to maximize your growth. I shared a brief introduction to the AI instructor to set the stage. We discussed the course aims, learning outcomes, and a content to align our journey. I explained our content development and teaching methodology for a clear learning path. And you ran your first prompt to ChatGPT-4, a hands-on start. That was just the beginning. Now let's build on that foundation and level up. Let's dive into the first part of this Avecture, Introduction to Generative AI. Purpose of AI systems. Why do we use AI systems in the first place? What problem are they really solving for us? We use AI systems to fulfill a core purpose, to meet an information need. Whether it's answering a question, generating content, analyzing data, or making decisions, AI helps us access the right information at the right time with speed and intelligence. In simple terms, AI is here to make thinking tasks faster, smarter, and easier. Information need. What exactly do we mean by information need? Why is it important in the context of AI systems? An information need is the requirement or desire to obtain specific knowledge or answers related to a particular query or task. Note, it defines what the user is truly looking for when interacting with intelligent systems like a search engine, for example, Google, a large language model, for example, DeepSeek R1, a generative AI model, for example, Gemini 2.5 Flash. In short, an information need is the starting point of every smart interaction. It's the question behind the query. Search engine. Input and output. What exactly goes into a search engine and what comes out? How does it understand and respond to what we ask? Input. A query, usually a set of keywords or phrases that describe what you're looking for. Example queries. Number 1. ChatGPT 4. Number 2. Robot teaching students in a classroom. Output. A ranked list of documents. The search engine scans millions of pages and returns the most relevant results, sorted by usefulness. I'll now run these queries on Google, a powerful search engine developed by Google. A step-by-step guide to run a query on Google search engine. Step 1. Open Google website. Open your preferred web browser. I am using Google Chrome. Step 2. Enter your search query. In the Google search box, type the following query exactly, ChatGPT 4. Press enter or click the Google search button. The Google search engine will process your input query and return a ranked list of relevant web pages based on relevance, authority, and content quality. Step 3. Observe the search results page. You will now see a list of results with titles, links, and brief descriptions for each web page. Step 4. Run the next query on Google. In the Google search box, type the next query, robot teaching students in a classroom. Press enter or click the Google search button. Google will process this query and return a ranked list of web pages relevant to the input. Notably, the results for this query are quite different from those returned for the previous query. This is because Google analyzes the specific keywords in your input and retrieves web pages that are most relevant to that particular query. An important point to understand here is that in both cases, Google acts as a ranking system, not a knowledge generator. It does not create new information. Rather, it searches existing online content and ranks it based on relevance and authority. That's why search engines are often referred to as information retrieval and ranking systems. Large language models, LLMs. Input and output. What do we feed into a large language model and what do we get in return? How do these AI systems really work? Input. A prompt written in natural language, just like how you speak or type. Example prompts. Number 1. What is ChatGPT for? Number 2. Please create an image. A robot is teaching students in a classroom. Output. A response. The model generates text based on your input. I'll now run these prompts on DeepSeek R1 model, a powerful large language model developed by DeepSeek. A step-by-step guide to run a query on DeepSeek R1. Step 1. Open Google website. Open your preferred web browser. I am using Google Chrome. Step 2. Search for DeepSeek R1. In the search box, type DeepSeek R1. Press enter. Click on the official link, typically titled DeepSeek R1 model or similar. Step 3. Create or sign into your account. Click on the Sign In or Start Chatting button. Use your Google, GitHub, or email to sign in. If you're a new user, click Create Account and follow the instructions to register. Step 4. Enter prompt 1. In the chat input box, type the following prompt. What is ChatGPT for? Press enter or click the send button. Step 5. View and save the text output. DeepSeek R1 will respond with a detailed explanation. To save the output, copy the response and paste it into a Google Doc
Word file, or Notepad. Alternatively, take a screenshot for quick reference. Step 6. Enter prompt 2. I am copying the prompt from Notepad file. In the same chat, paste the second prompt. Please create an image. A robot is teaching students in a classroom. Press enter. DeepSeek R1 will generate this response. Since I can't create images directly, I can help you refine your vision for an AI art generator, like DALL-E, Midjourney, or Stable Diffusion. Here's an optimized prompt based on your idea. The reason DeepSeek R1 was able to generate a response for prompt 1 but not for prompt 2 is that it is a large language model, LLM, not a multimodal generative AI model. LLMs are specifically designed to understand and generate text-based content. Therefore, DeepSeek R1 successfully processed prompt 1 and returned a text-based response. However, since prompt 2 requested an image as output, the model could not fulfill the request. This highlights an important distinction. LLMs are limited to text and cannot process or generate non-textual data, such as images, audio, or video. I hope this clarifies the capabilities and limitations of LLMs like DeepSeek R1. Generative AI, input and output. What do we give to a generative AI model, and what does it produce? Input. Generative AI models accept various forms of data as input, including text, images, audio, and more. Example prompts. Number 1. What is ChatGPT for? Number 2. Please create an image. A robot is teaching students in a classroom. Output. The model generates new content based on the input, such as text, images, code, or audio. I'll now run these prompts on Gemini 2.5 Flash, generative AI model developed by Google. A step-by-step guide to use Gemini 2.5 Flash. Step 1. Open Google Search. Open your web browser. I am using Google Chrome. Step 2. Search for Gemini AI. In the Google search box, type Gemini AI. Press enter. From the results, click the official link to Gemini 2.5 Flash by Google. Step 4. Enter prompt 1. In the chat input box, type, "What is ChatGPT for?" Press enter or click the send button. Step 5. View and save the output. Gemini will generate a text-based response. To save the output, copy and paste it into a Google Doc or Notepad, or click the 3 menu beside the response, if available, and select Copy, Save As, or Export if supported. Step 6. Enter prompt 2. I have already written the prompt in Notepad file. I will copy it from here. In the same chat box, now paste, "Please create an image." A robot is teaching students in a classroom. Press enter. Step 7. View and save the image. Gemini will generate an image based on the prompt. To save the image, right-click on the image and choose Save Image As to download it. Or, if on mobile, tap and hold the image and select Download or Save to Gallery. It is important to note that the outputs of prompt 1 and prompt 2 were text and image, respectively. Gemini efficiently processed both prompts and generated accurate responses in both formats. This is because Gemini is a multimodal generative AI model capable of understanding and generating various types of data, including text, images, audio, and video. Its versatility allows it to handle a wide range of input and output formats, making it a powerful tool for diverse AI applications. Search engine versus LLMs versus generative AI. What sets search engines, large language models, and generative AI apart? Aren't they all just smart systems? Here's the core difference. Search engines act as ranking systems. They retrieve and rank existing content based on your query. LLMs, large language models, focus on natural language understanding, NLU, natural language generation, NLG. They read and generate human-like text based on input. Generative AI goes beyond language, understands and generates content across text, images, audio, video, and code. Think of it like this. Search engines find, LLMs understand and write, and generative AI creates across all formats. Traditional AI versus generative AI. What is the main difference between traditional AI and generative AI? Aren't both just based on learning from data? Here's the key distinction. Traditional AI learns from existing data to classify, predict, or make decisions. Example, spam email detection, loan approval, or image recognition. Generative AI also learns from data, but its goal is to create something new like text, images, audio, video, or even code. Example, writing an article, generating artwork, or converting text to speech. Traditional AI helps you understand the world. Generative AI helps you build a new one. Generative AI, a transformative technology. What makes generative AI such a game-changing technology? Why is it reshaping industries across the globe? Generative AI stands out because of three powerful strengths. Number one, content creation and personalization. It creates tailored content at scale, from marketing copy to visual designs. Number two, efficiency and scalability. It automates tasks, saves time, and works 24/7 without fatigue. Number three, problem solving and innovation. It helps generate new ideas, simulate solutions, and accelerate discovery. From healthcare to education, from design to data, generative AI is not just a tool, it's a transformation engine. Generative AI limitations. Generative AI is powerful, no doubt, but what are its major limitations? What should we be cautious about? Despite its potential, generative AI comes with important challenges. Number one, ethical concerns and misuse. It can be used to spread misinformation, deepfake, or biased content. Number two, dependence on quality data. Poor or biased data leads to unreliable outputs. Number three, resource intensiveness. It requires high computational power, which can be costly and energy demanding. Generative AI is a powerful tool, but like all tools, it must be used responsibly, wisely, and ethically. Let's now discuss the to-do and your turn tasks, practical activities designed to help you apply what you've learned and build real-world AI skills. To-do tasks. Task 1. Exploring generative AI use cases. Now it's time to apply what you've learned. Write down at least 3 popular use cases of generative AI in the following domains: education, healthcare, finance, medicine, business. Think about how generative AI is being used to solve real-world problems, automate processes, and personalize experiences in each of these fields. This task will help you connect the power of AI with real industry impact and open your eyes to future opportunities. Task 2 for each use case listed in To-Do Task 1, from education, healthcare, finance, medicine, and business. Write down the input, what the user provides. Describe the output, what the AI generates. Identify the best suited generative AI model for that specific use case. For example, DeepSeek, Copilot, Gemini, ChatGPT, DALL-E, MedPalm, etc. This exercise will sharpen your understanding of how generative AI works in practice and which models are built for which tasks. Your turn task. Task 1. Discover more about generative AI. Now it's your time to explore. Use any generative AI model of your choice, like DeepSeek, Copilot, ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, to discover at least 2 new strengths, at least 2 new limitations that were not mentioned in this Avecture. This task encourages curiosity, research, and independent thinking, key skills for mastering AI in the real world. Let's move to the third part of this Avecture, the role of prompt engineering in careers.
Vital role of prompt engineering in careers. Why is prompt engineering becoming such a crucial skill across industries today? What makes it so important in the AI-driven world?
Prompt engineering is the key to unlocking the full potential of generative AI. It's revolutionizing how we interact with and guide AI systems, ensuring we get accurate, meaningful, and creative outputs. With LLMs and generative AI models now integrated into everyday tools like Copilot in Microsoft Office, prompt engineering is no longer optional. It's a career-defining skill in tech, education, business, healthcare, and beyond. The better your prompts, the smarter your AI. Learn to prompt and lead the future. Salary, prompt engineer. As of February 2025, how much does a prompt engineer make? Is this a role worth aiming for? Absolutely. According to Glassdoor, a prompt engineer's average annual base salary is $136,141 as of February 2025. Users on the site report additional pay between $35,000 and $66,000 per year, making this a lucrative career. Highly skilled experts can earn even more money. With AI shaping the future, prompt engineers are in demand, and they're being rewarded for their skill. This is a career path full of opportunity and growth. Role of prompt engineering in top 10 careers. In the AI-powered future, which careers will benefit the most from prompt engineering? Where will this skill truly make an impact? Here are the top 10 careers where prompt engineering is becoming a game changer. Number 1, AI content writer or copywriter. Number 2, conversational AI engineer. Number 3, AI or ML engineer. Number 4, AI writing evaluator. Number 5, AI prompt engineer. Number 6, user experience, UX, designer. Number 7, data scientist. Number 8, game designer. Number 9, education and training professional. Number 10, research scientist. From writing and design to data and research, mastering prompts will give you a powerful edge across industries. Let's proceed to the next part of the Avecture, types of prompts. Prompt engineering. What is prompt engineering, and how does it actually work? What are its input and output? Prompt engineering is the art and science of finding the right words, crafting a clear, precise prompt-to-guided generative AI model in producing the desired response. Input, a prompt in natural language. Output, a response, which could be text, image, audio, or other content types. In simple terms, the quality of your prompt determines the quality of your output. It's how you talk to AI and get what you need. Types of prompts. What are the different types of prompts we can use to guide generative AI? Do all prompts work the same way? Prompts come in various styles, each designed for a specific purpose. The main types include: number 1, descriptive prompt, used to generate detailed explanations or descriptions. Number 2, instructional prompt, gives step-by-step commands or tasks. Number 3, conversational prompt, creates natural back-and-forth dialogue. Number 4, creative prompt, sparks stories, poems, or imaginative content. Number 5, comparative prompt, helps analyze or compare two or more concepts. Mastering these types allows you to unlock the full creative and functional power of generative AI. Descriptive prompts. What are descriptive prompts, and when should we use them in generative AI? Definition. Descriptive prompts are requests for factual information or detailed explanations. They aim to describe a concept, event, or object clearly and accurately. Suitable to use. Use them when you need direct, data-driven answers like definitions, summaries, or factual details. Think of descriptive prompts as your go-to tool for clarity, precision, and knowledge. Instructional prompts. What are instructional prompts, and how are they used with generative AI? Definition. Instructional prompts are commands that instruct the AI to perform a specific task or follow clearly defined guidelines. Suitable to use. Use them when you need step-by-step assistance, like writing an email, generating code, or solving a problem. Instructional prompts turn AI into your personal assistant, ready to act, solve, and deliver with precision. Conversational prompts. What are conversational prompts, and when should we use them in generative AI? Definition. Conversational prompts are crafted to enable engaging, natural, and context-aware dialogue with the AI, just like talking to a human. Suitable to use. Best used for exploring ideas, having discussions, or creating entertaining and interactive conversations. With conversational prompts, AI becomes more than a tool, it becomes a thought partner. Creative prompts. Let's spark some imagination. Here's a quick question for you. What are creative prompts? Think about the kind of input that makes AI not just respond, but create. Creative prompts are designed to encourage generative AI to produce original, imaginative content. Whether you're writing a poem, drafting a story, or brainstorming ideas, these prompts unlock the model's full creative potential. Perfect for when you need inspiration, storytelling, or outside-the-box thinking. Comparative prompts. Let's explore another powerful category of prompts that helps you make smart decisions. Here's a key question. What are comparative prompts? Comparative prompts are designed to ask the AI for comparisons or analytical insights. They're perfect when you want to evaluate two or more options, analyze pros and cons, or understand key differences between ideas, tools, or strategies. Use them when decision-making matters and clarity is key. Examples, types of prompts. Let's put our understanding to the test. Can you identify the type of each prompt in this list? Here's the question. Which category does each prompt belong to? Descriptive, instructional, conversational, creative, or comparative? Number 1. Draft an email for a job application. Number 2. How does generative AI differ from traditional AI? Number 3. Invent a new product and describe it. Number 4. Describe the features of ChatGPT. Number 5. Summarize this paragraph in 50 words. Number 6. What is generative AI? Number 7. Can we discuss the pros and cons of remote work? Number 8. Write a poem about AI. Number 9. What are your thoughts on climate change? Number 10. Compare the benefits of AI and machine learning. Here are the correct categories for each prompt type. Number 1. Draft an email for a job application. Instructional prompt. It gives a clear task to perform, to draft something, which is a direct instruction. Number 2. How does generative AI differ from traditional AI? Comparative prompt. It asks to identify differences between two things, a key trait of comparison. Number 3. Invent a new product and describe it. Creative prompt. It requires imagination and originality, which is the essence of creative thinking. Number 4. Describe the features of ChatGPT. Descriptive prompt. It asks to explain characteristics, which is the purpose of a descriptive prompt. Number 5. Summarize this paragraph in 50 words. Instructional prompt. It gives a specific action with a constraint, 50 words, which makes it instructional. Number 6. What is generative AI? Descriptive prompt. It seeks a definition or explanation which is typical of a descriptive request. Number 7. Can we discuss the pros and cons of remote work? Conversational prompt. It encourages a back-and-forth discussion, typical of a conversation. Number 8. Write a poem about generative AI. Creative prompt. Writing poetry involves artistic expression, placing it in the creative category. Number 9. What are your thoughts on climate change? Conversational prompt. It invites personal opinion or open dialogue, which fits a conversational tone. Number 10. Compare the benefits of AI and machine learning. Comparative prompt. It directly asks to analyze similarities/differences, which defines a comparative prompt. These examples show how diverse prompt types can be and how each serves a unique purpose in guiding AI. Top 5 challenges in prompt engineering. Let's tackle a common challenge in prompt engineering: ambiguity. Here's the question. How can you overcome this challenge and write simple, fast, and accurate prompts? A small change can lead to a big improvement. Great prompts avoid vagueness and aim for clarity. Here's a quick tip. Use specific language and include examples or context. Instead of asking, "Tell me about generative AI," try, "What are the core concepts of generative AI in healthcare?" This focused version gives the AI a clear direction, saving you time and delivering more relevant results. Here's another common hurdle in writing effective prompts: overloading. So the question is, how can you overcome this challenge and write simple, fast, and accurate prompts? Overloading happens when we cram too much into one prompt, leading to confusion or weak responses. Here's a tip: break your queries into smaller, manageable parts. Instead of "summarize and analyze this text," try "summarize this text," then follow up with "analyze the key themes in a summary." This approach keeps the task clear, improves accuracy, and makes the output more useful. Remember, clarity comes from simplicity. Let's move to another important challenge: context incompleteness. Here's the key question: how can you overcome this challenge and write simple, fast, and accurate prompts? When a prompt lacks context, the response can be too generic or off topic. Here's a helpful tip: provide detailed context to guide the AI's response. Instead of "explain generative AI," try "explain generative AI in the context of facial recognition." This added context sharpens the AI's focus, making your results more relevant and insightful. Let's address a challenge many beginners face: lengthy prompts. So here's the question: how can you overcome this challenge and write simple, fast, and accurate prompts? When prompts are too long or overly wordy, they can confuse the AI and slow down your workflow. Here's a smart tip: be concise while retaining clarity. Instead of "can you please explain the entire process of ChatGPT generation?" try "how does ChatGPT generate text?" Short, sharp prompts get to the point and give you clearer, faster responses. Let's look at our final challenge: bias in prompts. Here's the question: how can you overcome this challenge and write simple, fast, and accurate prompts? Biased prompts can lead to one-sided or misleading responses. Here's a valuable tip: use neutral phrasing to invite a fair and complete answer. Instead of "why is generative AI better?" try "what are the advantages and disadvantages of generative AI?" This balanced prompt encourages the AI to present both perspectives, empowering better decision-making. Sometimes your first prompt won't deliver the perfect result, and that's okay. Here's a powerful tip: use iterative prompt design. That means refining your prompt step by step until you get exactly what you need. Start simple, review the output, then improve your prompt with clearer intent, added context, or better structure. Next, we will discuss the assigned, to-do, and your turn tasks. To-do tasks. Now it's time to apply what you've learned. Let's put your prompt engineering skills into action. Task 1. Write 2 prompts for each of the following types. Descriptive prompt: ask for facts or explanations. Instructional prompt: instruct the AI to perform a task. Conversational prompt: initiate a dialogue or opinion. Creative prompt: spark imagination or storytelling. Comparative prompt: request analysis of similarities and differences. Take your time. Be clear, specific, and purposeful with each prompt. This is your first step toward mastering the art of effective prompting. Let's take this one step further and make it personal. Task 2. Use any generative AI model like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or Gemini to explore this question: what is the role of prompt engineering in your specific field or career? Whether you're in tech, education, healthcare, business, or media, prompting is a skill that can supercharge your productivity and creativity. Ask smart questions, analyze the answers, and reflect on how this powerful tool can reshape your professional journey. Your turn tasks. Now it's your turn to reflect and personalize your learning journey. 1. Think critically and answer: how do you plan to learn and integrate prompt engineering skills into your field to achieve greater proficiency? And in which domains or areas can you effectively apply your prompt engineering expertise? Consider how the selection and power of words in a prompt can shape results, because in this field, every word matters. Let your answers be a roadmap toward becoming a smarter, more strategic AI collaborator. We now move to the final section of the Avecture, understanding the influence of word prompts. In the following slides, I will demonstrate how the choice of words in your prompts can significantly influence the response generated by an AI model. For this demonstration, my information need is I want to know about the features of ChatGPT 4.0. Example, influence of word choice. Prompt 1, please tell me features of ChatGPT 4.0. Response from ChatGPT 4.0, May 28, 2025. Here are the key features of ChatGPT 4.0. The O stands for Omni, OpenAI's most advanced and versatile model as of May 2024. Multimodal capabilities. Text, image, and audio input, output. ChatGPT 4.0 can understand and respond using text, images, and real-time audio, e.g., voice. Live vision. You can show it a live camera feed or upload images, and it can describe, analyze, and answer questions about what it sees. Real-time voice conversations. It supports natural, back-and-forth conversations via voice. Responds in under 300 milliseconds, similar to human conversation speed. Expresses emotion, tone, and intent with dynamic voice output. Free access to advanced features. GPT-4 level intelligence is now available to free users, previously limited to paid users. Free tier uses ChatGPT 4.0 with some usage limits. Improved intelligence and speed. Smarter than GPT-4 Turbo in reasoning and understanding across multiple domains. Faster responses and lower latency, especially in real-time interactions. Multilingual proficiency. Better at understanding and generating in non-English languages. Handles code, math, logic, and translation more accurately. Memory and personalization for pro users. Can remember facts about you across sessions, e.g., your name, preferences, style. Helps in more personalized, context-aware responses. File upload and analysis. Users can upload documents, images, and data files like PDFs or Excel sheets. The model can read, analyze, summarize, and answer questions about these files. Seamless tool integration. Includes tools like Python Code Interpreter, Advanced Data Analysis, DALL-E Image Generation, Browser, Live Web Search, Memory Opt-in. In the previous slide, prompt 1 was, please tell me features of ChatGPT 4.0. To illustrate how even a slight change in wording can influence the response, I modified prompt 1 to create prompt 2, please tell me top 3 features of ChatGPT 4.0. This revised prompt was executed on May 28, 2025 using ChatGPT 4.0, and the model generated the following response. Here are the key features of ChatGPT 4.0, short for GPT-4 Omni. Multimodal capabilities. Text, audio, image, and video understanding. ChatGPT 4.0 can accept text, image, and audio inputs and generate text and audio outputs, making it the most advanced multimodal model in the GPT family. Real-time voice interaction. Natural voice conversations. With response times as low as 232 milliseconds, average around 320 milliseconds. It can talk like a human, perfect for AI voice assistants. Emotional and expressive tone. It can vary tone and emotion in voice responses, enhancing user experience. Image and vision intelligence. Visual understanding. You can upload images, e.g., charts, math problems, menus, and ChatGPT 4.0 will understand and respond to questions about them. Live camera support. In apps like mobile can analyze images and scenes in real time. Language support. Top-tier multilingual performance. Greatly improved understanding of non-English languages, especially Arabic, Chinese, Spanish, German, Urdu, and more. Speed and efficiency. Faster and cheaper. It's twice as fast and 50% cheaper than GPT-4 Turbo for developers via OpenAI API. GPT-4 Level Intelligence. Same core reasoning power as GPT-4 Turbo with added multimodal understanding. Memory and personalization. ChatGPT Plus. Persistent memory. Remembers your name, preferences, and past interactions. You can manage or reset it. Custom GPTs. Easily build tailored GPTs with your own files, instructions, and APIs, no coding required. Developer features via API. Unified model for text, vision, and audio. Supports function calling, file uploads, system messages, and tool usage, e.g., code interpreter. Recall that prompt 1 was, please tell me features of ChatGPT 4.0. For prompt 3, I slightly changed the wording to observe if the AI model would produce a different response. Please tell me features of ChatGPT 4.0 for image data. I executed this prompt on May 28th, 2025 using ChatGPT 4.0, and its response is as follows. ChatGPT 4.0 for Omni offers several advanced features for working with image data. These capabilities make it a powerful tool for visual understanding, analysis, and multimodal interaction. Below are the key image-related features. Number 1, image understanding. Object recognition. Identify and describe objects, people, animals, scenes, and actions in an image. Text recognition. OCR accurately read printed and handwritten text in various fonts, styles, and languages. Chart and table interpretation. Understand and summarize graphs, bar charts, pie charts, and tables. Number 2, image-based question answering. You can ask questions about the content of an image. Example, what's written on this whiteboard, or how many people are in this image? Number 3, multimodal prompting. Combine text plus image in one prompt. Example, upload a chart and ask, summarize the key trends shown here. Supports contextual analysis, e.g., image plus a follow-up question. Number 4, image annotation and AMP analysis. Detect and describe visual features such as layout, e.g., UI elements, poster designs, colors and styles, facial expressions and emotions where applicable, spatial relationships. Number 5, visual reasoning. Capable of reasoning over visual content. Solve puzzles, e.g., Sudoku, spot the difference. Analyze diagrams or infographics. Interpret scientific images, like microscope or medical scans, within reason. Number 6, image upload and AMP, dialogue. Users can upload multiple images and have a back and forth conversation about them. Useful for tasks like reviewing designs, debugging UI screenshots, or analyzing real-world photographs. Number 7, supported image types. Accepts JPG, PNG, GIF, and other common formats. Can analyze both screenshots and real-world photos.
Analysis. Prompt 1, 2, and 3. Let's take a moment to analyze how prompt wording directly influences AI responses. Prompt 1, please tell me features of ChatGPT 4.0. Result, a general overview of all key features. Prompt 2, please tell me top 3 features of ChatGPT 4.0. Result, a focused, prioritized list, short, sharp, and to the point. Prompt 3, please tell me features of ChatGPT 4.0 for image data. Result, a detailed, domain-specific response centered on image-related capabilities.
Analysis. Although all 3 prompts differ only slightly in wording, the responses generated by ChatGPT 4.0 vary significantly. This is because the choice of words in each prompt alters the intent and specificity, which directly influences how the AI interprets and responds to the query. Lesson learned: the selection of words matters. Even small changes in how you frame a question can significantly shape the quality, depth, and direction of the response. That's the art and science of prompt engineering. Let's proceed to the to-do and your turn tasks. To-do task. Now it's time to put theory into action. Task 1. Based on the information need discussed in this Avecture, run the following 3 prompts using a generative AI model like ChatGPT. 1. Please tell me features of ChatGPT 4.0. 2. Please tell me all features of ChatGPT 4.0. 3. Please tell me unique features of ChatGPT 4.0. Your turn task. Now it's your turn to take the lead and apply what you've learned. Task 1. Select an information need, just like the one we explored in this lecture. Then, write 2 to 3 different prompts to express that need. Run them using a generative AI model. Analyze the responses carefully. Your goal: understand how even small changes in wording can completely shift the output. This will help you gain deeper insight into the true power of word choice in prompt engineering. Remember, effective prompting isn't just about asking, it's about asking smart. Let's now proceed to the Avecture summary, a quick recap of the key insights and takeaways from today's Avecture. Let's wrap up with a quick recap of what we explored in today's Avecture. We began with an introduction to generative AI, understanding what it is and why it's transforming the way we work and think. Then, we uncovered the role of prompt engineering in careers, highlighting how this powerful skill is becoming essential across industries. After that, types of prompts. We have explored the key categories of prompts and understood which types are best suited for different tasks. Then, top 5 challenges in prompt engineering. We have gained insight into the most common challenges faced when crafting effective, high-quality prompts. Finally, we dove into the influence of word choice on prompts, learning how small changes in phrasing can lead to big differences in results. Key takeaway: mastering prompt engineering starts with mastering your words. The clearer your prompt, the smarter the response. Now, let's preview what's coming up in the next Avecture. Get ready for more exciting insights and hands-on learning. Get ready to level up your prompting skills. In the next Avecture, we'll dive into fundamentals of crafting simple, fast, and accurate prompts. You'll learn practical strategies to write prompts that are not only clear and effective, but also tailored for speed and precision. Whether you're a student, developer, teacher, or entrepreneur, this next session will help you unlock better results with smarter prompts. Don't miss it! We have 3 humble requests. Number 1, spread the light of knowledge. The core mission of Fazal Qadir Khan Islamic Institute, Pakistan, is to seek the pleasure of Allah alone. That's why all courses and webinars are 100% free. In return, we humbly ask you to teach at least one other person what you've learned here and kindly encourage them to do the same. This way, the light of knowledge continues to spread without end, insha'Allah. Number 2, pray for the founder and his parents. Please remember the founder of this institute and his late parents in your sincere prayers. Your duas are a powerful gift that carries immense reward. Number 3, stay connected and support our mission. We warmly invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page to stay updated with upcoming webinars and free courses. Have questions or wish to contribute as a volunteer to this noble cause? We'd love to hear from you. Feel free to reach out via WhatsApp or email. Our team is always here to assist you with warmth and sincerity. Before we close, I'd like to acknowledge the key sources I drew knowledge from ChatGPT 4.0 and Gemini 2.5 Flash. Jazak Allah khair to each and every one of you for attending this Avecture with open hearts and minds. May Allah reward your time, curiosity, and commitment to learning. Now, I'd be happy to take your questions, comments, or reflections. Whether you're curious about a specific point we discussed, want to explore a topic further, or just wish to share your thoughts, this is your moment. Please feel free to ask. I'm here to help.
Thank you. Before going into the QA session, I have an announcement. The next lecture will be held tomorrow on same time, and the paper will be conducted on July 13th, Sunday. Now I request Dr. Rao Muhammad Idil Nawab for QA session. Yes, sir.
रिस्पेक्टेड ऑल अस्सलाम वालेकुम काइंडली आपके क्वेश्चंस हों तो आप चैट बॉक्स में ड्रॉप कर दें
Contact us today. Website www.ilmoirfan.ai. Email info@ilmorfan.ai. WhatsApp 00-92-328-7788177. Follow us on social media: LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Ilm O Irfan Technologies, your intelligent partner in the AI era.